Today I will teach how to insert data in table using SQL. I am using MySQL Workbench 8.0. See the screen. MySQL Workbench is loaded. I am opening the connection. See the screen here. I am going to select the table student. So I will write the query select okay, select star from student. I have made the table earlier. I have shown the video also. See, I have selected the table student. I am going to execute this query. Select star from student, limit 0, error code. Why this error appears? I tell you the reason. I have to use the database, and the database is library books. Earlier we created this database. So first of all, I need to open the database. Then I have to select the table. So use library report, library report or record, whatever the database name you need to type here. It is library report semicolon. See, and I'm executing the query. 0 rows affected. Okay, now here you need to write select star from student, select star from student, okay, semicolon. Then run the query by clicking this icon. See, no records are here. There is 0 rows. Okay, no records are here. Now what you have to do, we need to insert the records into table student. How we can insert records? Then I tell you, I am going to type the query insert into student values. Okay, see, I have written the query insert into students. Here you need to type values. So let me type values. Now query is okay. Insert into students values. This value will go to the student ID, that is the first column. Then Rama, student name, student class 08, then student date of birth. This is accordingly data will be stored. Okay, book ID is A004. Our query is completed. Let me close the bracket also. Okay, now execute the query by clicking this icon. Insert into values, error code, table library report that students doesn't exist. Here you need to change the name of the table because the right name of the table is student. Again execute the query. 1 row affected. So this record is inserted. Okay, but how will you show the how will you see the record? You can type select star from table name, select star from students, students, yeah, student. Run the query. See, this record is inserted: student ID, student name, student class, student DOB, and book ID. Okay. If you want to insert more record, you can write the same query, and you can insert many records. Let me type the query. One more record I'm going to insert. Values are different. I'm executing the query. See, one row affected. This data is inserted. If you want to insert more rows, you can just copy this one and paste here. Okay, I'm deleting this one. See, you can paste it many times so that multiple records can be inserted. 3 times I have pasted. Now I'm going to change the values of student ID. I am typing here as 00 S011. Student name I am going to change Alexo. Like that I am going to make the changes. Here I am going to insert 3 more records. See, here you see the cross it means something went wrong. I need to correct it. So first value is correct. Okay. Then second value is also correct. And the third value here, single quote was wrongly typed. So now query is correct. Let me execute the query. I have executed the query, and three more rows are affected one by one. Sam Kumar inserted, Alfredo inserted, Alexo inserted. If you want to see the records, again you can type the query, select star from student, select star from student, semicolon. Now you see records are inserted after executing the query. Rama, Siri, Alexo, Alfredo, Sam Kumar. These queries are and these records are inserted in the table, and it is visible in front of you. You are able to see the screen. Now I am going to change the table with the help of alter table command, and I am going to drop one column, that is book ID. See, this book ID column I am going to delete or drop. How we can do it? Let's see. You need to type the query alter table student, alter table, name of the table is student, alter table student. Then you need to drop column, which column? Book ID. Book ID column you need to drop, then semicolon. It will drop a book ID column. Let's execute the query. See, 0 rows affected. So book ID column is dropped. Do you want to see? Then write the same query. Select star from a student. Star from a student. Student, semicolon. I'm going to execute the query. See, book ID column is just deleted. Now it is not visible on the screen. Now one more record I am going to insert in this table, but this time I will not put the value of book ID. How we can do it? Just write the insert into student values. Our query is complete. Just execute it. One row affected. Elsa, record of Elsa is inserted. Do you want to see the record? You need to type the query. Select star from a student. Star from a student. See, book ID is deleted, and you are see the record which is recently inserted. This is Elsa studying in class 6. So this was the lesson I want to teach you. Continue watching my next lessons and videos. Thank you.